Oh, now we're live. All right, that was quick. Okay. Hello. Hello, what's up? First? No, you're not first, sorry. So we got some boxes. Two of the same box, actually. Does anyone know what these are? Hello? Someone's going to guess it probably really quick, but I'll just show who it came from. Apple Inc. So that's your hint. Two small boxes from Apple Inc. Hello? What are you going to do? I'm going to open the boxes. That's what I'm going to do. HomePod, there it is. How's the iMac Pro setup going? Oh, it's going great. It's going great. So we're going to open these HomePod boxes. There you go. Now you're all... I forgot about the delay. But I'm going to open this box. Well, first of all, actually, let's pick which box, because I got one of each color. So if you want me to open this box, comment Sharpie. If you want me to open this box, comment knife. Sharpie box or knife box. One of them is the space gray, one of them is the white. They don't have any fancy color names. I don't know which one is which. It's gonna be up to you. Volume is low, just turn yours up. Yeah, it's two different colors. Knife, knife, knife. Sharpies. We're good. Blade. Someone said blade. Knife, knife. All right, we're pretty much set on knife. So I'm gonna move this off to the side. There we go. Let's open the knife box. The Apple unboxing experience is always solid. All right, so let me show you right on top what you're getting. So there's the HomePod right at the top. Looks like you guys picked the white one. Congratulations, it's a white HomePod. I think I'm gonna have to, here. That is a small box. It's kind of dense and heavy. Also, what is that? Look at this inside of the box. It's like felt or something? I've never seen that. I guess it's to prevent it from slipping or whatever. But that's the whole box. That's your classic Apple shipping masterpiece. Now let's take a look at the actual HomePod box. And again, it's small. Like, if you couldn't already tell, this is my phone. And something we're going to probably have more than one point on is just how small the HomePod is, but here we go. I'm sure, yes, you've already watched unboxings on YouTube. I didn't get an early one, so this is my unboxing. All right, it's going to be one of those boxes that I pull up from the bottom, so let's do that. That is the entire HomePod right there. And that is seriously small. That's the whole thing. I could have sworn it was bigger, so I went to that Apple event when they announced it, and they had a space gray one. And I still have that footage. It's in one of my videos, and like, it does not look this small. Anyway, there's a couple more things in the box, including a circular paper guide. It says designed by Apple in California. You get one single white Apple sticker with the white one. I wonder if there's a black Apple sticker with the space gray one. Your user info, your 1-year warranty, and a little circular user guide. That's pretty cool. Giant Beats pill. That's not the furthest thing from the truth. Honestly, this might be a little bit less useful than the Beats Pill, but we'll see. The cable is wrapped. Oh, this is a nice cable, though. This is a really nice cable. Apple does do cables well. This is a braided cable. It is permanently attached to the HomePod. It's a tail there. You can't take this out. So if you trip on it, I mean, it wasn't going to be good to start with anyway, but yeah, I guess you wouldn't really need to replace the cable. Also, you just saw that news of the... That was silent. The news of the repair cost for the HomePod is that it will cost $250 without AppleCare to repair a HomePod when the entire thing is $400. That's another interesting tidbit to note. That's the whole box, and that's the HomePod. I'm gonna plug it in because I have my iPhone with me. Do I? No, I don't. Oh, I can't set it up because I'm streaming with my iPhone. Should have thought of that. All right, it's plugged in now. There's nothing really going on, but that's pretty much it. There's a little bit of an indent in the box. Oh.
To get my attention.
Wow.
Say, "Hey Siri."
Okay. It just paused for a while because my phone, my iPhone, like I mentioned, is live streaming, but it's close enough to the HomePod that it triggered the setup. It just popped up. And so that paused the live stream. We're back. Siri went on a little bit of a power trip there. But when it made that noise, it started setting up. Look again at how small this is. Let me this is it. This is the whole HomePod. This is your $400 speaker right here. This is for sure a shot in the video because this happens to look really pretty. But what is okay, this is a tiny speaker. The question is, and I don't even know how to find this out without pausing the live stream again. Does it sound good? I can't pair my Android phone to it. It's not a Bluetooth speaker, but I can go, "Hey Siri, what's the weather tomorrow?"
Looks like rain in Kearney tomorrow. The high will...
Okay. I didn't ask for that. Okay, so on the top, if you just tap it, there's these plus and minus, so you can hear how loud or quiet you're getting. And then the middle is the play pause button. And if you want to talk to Siri, you hold it down. What's the weather tomorrow?
The forecast is calling for rain in Kearney tomorrow. The high will be 51 degrees, and the low will be 37.
That's nice.
My weather data is provided by the Weather Channel.
Okay, great. So you're not going to touch it much. Are people coming back? People left, or they just thought it's over. It's echoing. Man, there's a lot happening with HomePod on this iPhone. But yeah, it's Siri, so it's gonna play Apple Music stuff. It's gonna hopefully sound great, and it's ideally one of the best sounding smart speakers, if not speakers at all, you can get. But yeah, it's super, super clean and limited as to what it can do. It makes me wonder why it was delayed so much. What do you guys want to know about it? What's your questions? Hey Siri, what's 34 times 18 minus 7 divided by 90?
34 times 18 minus 7 divided by 90 is about 611.9222.
Okay. Hey Siri, who's Deadmau5?
Joel Thomas Zimmerman, better known by his stage name Deadmau5, is a Canadian record producer, DJ, musician, and composer. That was from Wikipedia. Do you want me to keep reading?
No. It's gonna read a lot of Wikipedia stuff. Oh, Brandon's here? Yeah. Weird. This cable's not very long. What else should I ask it? HomePod or Google Home Max? Okay, so HomePod is $400. Google Home Max is $500. It's a lot bigger. HomePod will pair to... Hey Siri, What does the fox say?
Wah pow 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 pow.
Hey Google, what does the fox say?
Ring ding 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 a ding and wah pop 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 a pow. Or so I've heard.
I don't know if you heard that, but that was a better answer. I've asked it that before. This will only pair to your iPhone. This will never pair to any Android phone. Google Home Max, or any Google Home, will pair to any phone with Bluetooth. So your iPhone, your Android phone, whatever. Google Home Max, I think, sounds fantastic and gets extremely loud. HomePod, I have yet to test that, but the initial reviews seem to say it sounds pretty good. Ask how tall she is. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. How tall are you?
Not exceedingly big, but my gravitational pull is quite strong.
Hey Google. How tall are you?
I bet if we printed out all my code and stacked it up, it could get pretty tall. Since I'm software, that might be the only way to find out.
Yeah, you're right. They both have decently funny answers. Hey Siri. Play Deadmau5.
Sure, here's a personalized station of Deadmau5.
Hey Siri. Play Ghosts and Stuff.
Here's Ghosts and Stuff by Deadmau5.
I listen to songs I've heard before. It also heard me pretty well. Can Instagrams get banned for copyright? Hey Siri. Who is MKBHD?
Just a moment. I can't get the answer to that on HomePod.
Yeah, that's what I figured. It's going too fast. Ask it if it's friends with Alexa. Hey Siri, are you friends with Alexa?
I think the acquisition of information and intelligence by human beings through virtual assistants is a very good thing.
That's fair. HomePod, something, what devices? You can only pair it with your iPhone, that's for sure. Some of these comments are in English, and I'm very impressed. Do rap, please. Oh, like we'll make it play a rap song. Hey Siri, rap for me.
Okay, here goes.
Oh God.
I wrote this one myself. Apologies in advance to the Sugar Hill Gang. I said a hip-hop. Save me from the clippy, the peak,
Wait,
peak and pop, and you don't stop. Space rocket. To the pong pong the doogie. Say up jump the doozy. To the rhythm of the ontology.
I think that's what Google does too. Right? Hey Google, rap for me.
I can rhyme. I even have an original poem I've been working on. An ode to search. I love to search. I cannot lie. I'll search it all. I am not shy. Search for pictures. Search for pie. I search. At least I try.
All right. So yeah, it does a lot of Siri stuff. Obviously, you can talk to it like Siri, whatever's on your phone, and it does a lot of music stuff. And we're gonna listen to it. But so far, I mean, I just listened to that little snippet, and it's loud. It's very small, but if I turn it all the way up, we're gonna see if it gets to as loud as Google Home Max. Obviously, it's louder than the actual original Google Home, despite that being around the same size, because this is way more speakers. But yeah, that's it. I'm sorry for triggering your Google Home. If I did that, that's my bad. Can it control your lights? Yes. If you have HomeKit enabled lights will work. Compared to Siri on an iPhone, how good is the recognition? It's just as good, if not better. It has better mics than your phone, so you can yell at it from across the room and it'll hear you. But yeah, that's it so far. So we're gonna get to testing this thing and probably have a video out in a couple days. Hey Siri, Do you love me?
I don't know, but I think you're pretty great.